Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Neelam's Lifestyle. I'm really happy to see you here, and this video actually I want to do for a very long time, and I don't know, for somehow I couldn't. But in between I buy so many stuff for the organization, and this like piling up in somewhere corner, and I couldn't do it. So today I'm doing it's my master bathroom closet, and the first step is to empty the whole thing. This is the really important step. If you don't do it, you can't do the organization in the right way. So I empty the whole thing and give a good scrub. See, this 2014 expire already and it's still there. It doesn't mean I didn't clean it. I do like little things to move, but it's never show the whole picture in the right way. So I'm throwing a lot of stuff, and then I give a good scrub. I'm use the method cleaner. It's grapefruit smell. It smells really nice. You can use anything, all purpose cleaner. The main thing is you have to clean, and then give a good scrub. And I use this mop. It's actually the floor mop, but because of this part which is scrubbing the thing, so I'm using this one. And by the way, this is very stubborn mark. Some it's already still there, so but it's fine, at least it's clean. And now start organizing with the basket. This was basket I bought from my superstore on the sale. It was original, I think $19, and got for $5.44 when it was on really good price. I have this bins for a very long time, and then I bought this body towels, the full length, and I always put something on my counter which looks beautiful, like this bath bombs. It's really good fragrance. I always fill this space with like my goodies. So the mops and the facial pads, and I use this lavender accent. I love lavender, but I bought this one from Dollar Tree, the flowers, and this is from the Home Sense. Smells really good. It's awesome. So I'm doing this one part because my bathroom is so big, so I will do the other later. So this basket I use as an extra paper towels, and this hanger I also bought from the Dollarama, and put my dryer over there and my facial machine. And but later I changed the space. I put it in the drawer. I also have the big drawers, so these drawers also need to be clean. I don't know when the last time I was in these drawers for the cleaning, so I think today is the day. So I did the both thing together. The first step, move everything. This is the most important stuff. Then you know what you need to remove. And believe me, when you finish cleaning, you will be surprised how much stuff you have, which actually you're not using. It just hold your space and hold your mind, back somewhere. So this is the best thing, when you put everything out and then put it back. Like these wrench I find in my drawer, I'm really surprised why they're here. So this is the machine, the waxing machine I ordered from the Amazon. I will do the separate video how it works, but for this one I just add all my cutting accessories, and this is how it looks at the end, and I think it's really beautiful. Put my feminine stuff in that pantry, and the extra machines and the cotton buds, so the drawers looks really nice right now. If you like the video, give me thumbs up. I do the Dollar Tree video and the home style video. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe it.